In this iLearning video, you'll have an opportunity to learn how to send a file or files using the secure email feature in iChannel. One of the first steps is to locate a file or file that you would like to send via email using the secure email feature. As you can see here, I'm looking at the My Recent Files widget, so I could select the document from here or go to the file area where this document resides, and then I could start the process of sending that file. Now additionally, I could search for files globally using the file search feature, which is located from the Files tab located on the banner at the top of the screen. I could do a quick search, find that file, and then in the client file area set up the secure email. Now in this exercise, I'm just going to access one of my recent sites. In this case, I'm going to select the Boca Raton design. I'm going to select the file area, and that's going to navigate me into the client file area. Now, when you're ready to send an email securely using the iChannel email feature, you'll need to select a file or files from the client file area. I'll go ahead and select one of my files located in the file area. Next, from the gear icon, I'll just go ahead and select email. The Compose email screen will appear. You'll see that you'll be starting an email. Your address in the from should be the user who is creating the secure email. Now, since we don't store a copy of the email in your email sent folder, by default, we will go ahead and select the blind carbon copy sender checkbox for you, so you can have a copy sent to your email system for your own personal use or business use. One of the first things you'll need to do is to go ahead and set up who the to is. Now, your contacts will be listed over on the right side in the contact screen. You could just simply select one of those contacts and add it to the field. If for any reason you just wanted to manually start typing in, as you start typing in letters, you'll see if there is a match that has already been defined in your contacts in iChannel, it would go ahead and select that information. You can add more or less information on your email in the to and the carbon copy fields. Of course, you do need to have a dedicated subject. It is a required field, so I'm going to go ahead and just type in just a quick little text there. And if at the same time, if you'd like to go ahead and categorize this email for a quick search and reference later, you can come in and set your email category up. And in this case, I'll select an email category. In the body field, you can free text any information you would like to send over to your client. You can put information in the body field. In addition, over on the far right side, you'll see there's a drop-down arrow that would allow you to see a detailed list of toolbar icons that you can customize this email that you're sending out to your client. You'll also see here that I have already had my signature pre-populate for me. To learn more about pre-populating your signature on an email, just click on your profile in the top right corner of iChannel, and you can set your signature tagline on emails when you send an email via iChannel. Now, in the lower section of the email, you'll see there is a new area called Attached File Info. It is within this area that you do set up the secure way that you're going to send this email. As you can see here, a reference is telling me the attachment that's going to go out on my email, and this was the attachment that I had selected earlier. Now, I'm going to send this as a link, and what that means is that the individual who I am sending this email to, if I leave the defaults as they are on the screen that you see, the individual would have 2 attempts to successfully try to download the file. They would have until 9/15 of 2021 in this exercise. That means the link is only going to be enabled to download the file up until the 15th of the month. Next is a system-generated secure key. This is randomly generated by iChannel. If for any reasons you wanted to change the secure key and put it in your own secure key, you can start typing and add your own secure key. Otherwise, it is a system-generated secure key by iChannel. The via is going to say separate email. Now, what this means is that the user receives not only one email, but two emails. The first email would be an email that contains the link. When the user selects that link, another prompt will ask for the secure key password. The individual would need to have the second email, which would contain the secure key to be able to open that file. Additionally, there are additional features on how an email can be sent. The second one, which is do not email the secure key password. In this scenario, the user would receive an email with the link. When the user clicks the download button, the system would ask for the secure key. As the secure key was not sent via email, the user would need to be in contact either via telephone or via text with their firm representative, so the firm representative could verbally or via text provide the secure key. The only other option, which is same email, and this is only available for the system IT administrators. This feature would send not only the link, but the secure key in the same email. When you've set up your information on how you would want the link to be sent, just click Send. iChannel would then provide confirmation that the email has been sent successfully. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to learn how to send an email that contains a secure file or files to your client.